Okay guys, I purchased the Zedream Ethernet adapter for the Fire Stick, for the Amazon Fire Stick, and it was really easy to set up. All I had to do was plug it in to the Fire Stick, as you can see there, and then obviously plug the power cord in, and then the Ethernet adapter on the end of it. You can actually also use the USB ports. I don't have anything plugged in right now, but you can use those as well. But you just plug it in and then simply start it up, and you have buffering free Amazon Fire Stick. Thanks.